Okay, everybody, lie down on the floor and keep calm.
What could possibly go wrong? Oh no! Oh no! This is a picture of me when I was 1. Me and my dad and my first train set. My dad spent some time with me to play with me. My dad gave me a story to share with you. My dad helped me find my art because I went to university to do engineering, making things. My dad showed me how to do something very special that day. My dad showed me how to make a bridge. What did I use to make a bridge? Join your carriage, and then you'll get your departure time in just a minute, okay?
Need to keep moving, otherwise you're going to miss the train. Next departure, leaving shortly. All aboard, all aboard.
Well, this is beyond my wildest dreams. A model railway actually set up in the assembly hall when I did an assembly here on our Railway 200 day. I'm going to ask Richard. So Richard, tell us about this layout. This is just fantastic.
So this is our Church Hope layout. It's a fully automated DCC layout. At the moment this is running 10 different trains.
Right.
Changing the points so that it controls their routes, and it will direct them and start them and stop them in stations, all completely automatic.
Father and son effort then, is it?
It certainly is.
I just can't thank you both enough for bringing this in. I know it took you 5 hours to set up yesterday. It's going to take you a couple of hours to set up to take it apart today. But fist bumps, three generation fist bump. Thank you so much, guys. It's been giving so much to me. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Each year we've chosen a theme for their box, and so reception are doing the Gruffalo because that's the book they've been doing. Year 1 and 2 are coming in a minute. They're going to do the seaside and up in the clouds. Then year 3 and 4 are going to do Pompeii, so we're going to make a volcano, and dig for victory. So we will be making an Anderson shelter in there this afternoon.
This is amazing. So tell me who you are and who these people are.
Okay, we are artists that are from Art in Poundbury, which is a local art group, and we've also got artists from Artway, which is another group in Weymouth, and we've all volunteered. Well, I broke them in, I think. They volunteered.
They got volunteered, did they?
They got volunteered. No, we love it. It's not the first time. We've been in about 4 times and done projects with them.
We're here because we believe that children should be allowed to express themselves through art and creativity.
Who's excited? Tom! What did I use to make a bridge? My arm. What else? My hands. I used my imagination. I didn't have a loop of track. There were two train tracks, one with goods, one with passengers. A bridge with people waving because I used my imagination. And if you don't use your imagination, it will go. If you sit and play computer games all the time or watch videos all the time, your creativity, your imagination will go.